How to delete billing address on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete your billing address on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your billing address on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the settings application here. Once you launch the settings app, you will see this type of interface where you want to simply tap the profile icon from the very top of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top of the screen, here you'll find the option called payment and shipping. So just make sure to go ahead and enable that option over here. And if you have added any sort of card and so on, and there is basically a payment method that you might have added, and now you want to simply go ahead and then delete those, you'll find the option to actually change the billing address inside of that payment method. But if you've not added a billing address, of course you won't find that, but here you can see your billing address, so you can just go ahead and select that addresses, and then you'll be able to add a new billing address if you'd like. This way you'll be able to change your billing address or delete billing address on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.